In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do time tracking in Notion using a simple time tracking database. This approach is particularly helpful for anyone looking to manage their work time more effectively, whether you're a freelancer, a student, or just someone who wants to optimize productivity. To get started with our time tracking setup in Notion, we will first create a database. This database will serve as the backbone for our time management system. It's straightforward to create and will provide a clear overview of how you're spending your time. Let's dive into the details. Firstly, open your Notion workspace. Once there, you'll want to create a new page. To do this, simply click on the New Page button, which you can find on the sidebar. On this new page, choose the database template option. You might call this time tracking or whatever suits your workflow best. It's important to label it in a way that's intuitive for you. Inside your new database, let's set up the properties that will allow you to track time efficiently. The first property, which you should name Task, will be a title type. This column will help you keep track of what specific task you're working on. It's a good idea to use clear and concise task names to ensure that you can quickly understand your past records at a glance. Next, add a date property with the type set to date. This property will help you log on which day a certain task was performed. It makes finding and reviewing past tasks much easier, especially when you're trying to identify patterns or assess productivity over specific periods of time. Now it's time to add in the start time property using the date and time type. This allows you to track exactly when you began working, which is key to accurately measuring how much time you've spent on a particular task. Similarly, we'll add an end time property, also using the date and time type. This will record when you finish a task, pairing with your start time to define the length of a work session. Finally, to calculate the length of time spent on a task, create an hours worked property. This property will be a formula type. The formula here will subtract the start time from the end time to find the duration, showing it in hours. This automatically calculated column helps you accurately keep tabs on your time investment and adjust your scheduling habits as needed. By structuring your database with these properties, you've built a robust tool for time tracking in Notion. As you use this setup, be conscientious in updating your tasks, start times, and end times. Regular use will enhance your time management abilities and lead to more productive work habits. That wraps up our guide today. Incorporate this setup into your routine, and you'll likely notice an improvement in how you manage your time. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to time tracking. Thanks for joining me today, and happy time tracking in Notion.